Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Cash App, and more specifically, I'm going to try to answer a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and that is, how do you sell your Bitcoin BTC on Cash App? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, this is going to be a quick video. There's not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sell your Bitcoin on Cash App? Well, that's pretty easy. Cash App is a popular way to buy and sell Bitcoin because they make it easy with an existing platform. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's all handled here in the app. It's this green and white one right here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I'm going to open up my Cash App now. Okay, guys, I went ahead and opened up my Cash App. This is the home screen here. Now here on the home screen, if you would like to sell your Bitcoin on Cash App, what you want to do is click down here on the bottom right. There's this Bitcoin symbol. Once you click there, then it's going to bring up the historical chart for Bitcoin along with your current Bitcoin balance. As you can see, I just have a little bit of Bitcoin in my Cash App. Now, if you still want to go ahead and sell your Bitcoin BTC on Cash App, you want to click on this button right here in the middle. It's called Sell. Next, you can choose how much Bitcoin you would like to sell. So they have these 5 quick fill buttons that chooses the amount of Bitcoin you'll be selling on Cash App. Or you can do what I do and click on these 3 little dots right here. Once you click there, you can choose exactly how much Bitcoin you would like to sell on Cash App. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to sell $1 worth of Bitcoin on my Cash App. Once you've chosen how much you would like to sell, go ahead and click on this next button here on the bottom. Next, this confirmation screen pops up and it lets you know the destination. So once I sell my Bitcoin, it's going to go into my Cash App balance. It also lets me know how much Bitcoin I'm selling on Cash App along with the current exchange rate listed here on Cash App. Also be sure to watch right here. There are fees attached to selling your Bitcoin on Cash App. If all that looks good to you, go ahead and click on this blue confirm button here on the bottom. Next, a few seconds later, this screen pops up. It is my confirmation screen saying that I've sold this much Bitcoin BTC on my Cash App. So let me go ahead and click on done. And as you can see, my Bitcoin balance has decreased and that amount has gone into my Cash App balance. So there you have it, guys. If you're looking for information on how to sell your Bitcoin BTC on Cash App, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.